At its core, AI involves creating intelligent machines that can perform tasks that usually require human intelligence, such as learning, problem solving, decision making, and natural language processing. AI has numerous applications across various industries, from healthcare to finance, transportation, manufacturing, and beyond. It can help companies automate repetitive tasks, improve efficiency, enhance accuracy, and enable new forms of innovation. One of the most exciting areas of AI is natural language processing, which allows machines to understand and interpret human language. This has led to the development of chatbots, virtual assistants, and other tools that can communicate with humans in a more natural and intuitive way. Another major area of AI is machine learning, which involves creating algorithms that can learn from data and improve their performance over time. This has enabled breakthroughs in fields such as image recognition, speech recognition, and self-driving cars. At Lindley Hancock, we believe that AI has the power to transform the world for the better. That's why we offer a range of AI-powered marketing and consulting services to help our clients stay ahead of the curve. At Lindley Hancock we like to say, AI-powered, human-driven, because that's who we are. Thank you for watching our video on Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about our services, please visit our website or contact us directly. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this.